let us tell you a story. A story about the path we're taking. A story of Nakama. As gamers, we understand the importance of the gaming-first approach. But as Web3 freaks with years of experience on blockchain, we also value the blockchain-first approach and all the novelty that on-chain brings to gaming. Therefore, Nakama is not going to be a game-first or blockchain-first. Nakama is going to be a one-of-a-kind experience in which both gaming and blockchain components will be equally important and both will drive Nakama to its greatness. Nakama is a robust MMORPG game with an anime fantasy world owned and built by the players. Life's being breathed into our world with the appearance of characters, mounts, and land plots, all in the form of customizable NFTs. At the same time, all of the game content will be free to play. Some NFTs will be free to own without any microtransactions or pay-to-win mechanisms. Moreover, we're building the Great Bazaar, a heart of open peer-to-peer economy. The players will be given an amazing opportunity to create their own skins for items. Every time any of the items they've created sell in the Great Bazaar, they'll receive royalties for life. The prices of all the in-game assets will be determined by the laws of supply and demand. You might ask, what makes us different from other Web3 games? We believe that Web3 is much more than a decentralized network built on top of Web2. We also believe that truly owning game assets is more than having a token with a set of metadata in your wallet. There's little fun in simply owning an asset if the centralized game server shut down. Currently, this applies to any game that's not 100% on-chain. We're fixing that by offering a decentralized server architecture that gives community members the ability to set up their own game node and make revenue from that. We call it Distributed Gaming Consensus. With Nakama, each landowner has the ability to host his own instance of Nakama server, and every other player can join it. Their ownership of land plots, the guild houses, core gaming loops, and user-generated content will be valid in every instance of the game server that will ever be created, as long as it's approved by the Distributed Gaming Consensus. Additionally, everyone who hosts their own Nakama game node can gather a community of skilled players. For example, Game Node can be used as a virtual entertainment venue for the community members of NFT projects or personal brands. Moreover, Game Node hosts can tax all the value creation actions undertaken on the server to create an additional source of income. We want to use DGC to build a Web3 gaming infrastructure framework, which can become a standard for decentralized games. At the same time, all the blockchain parts can be hidden from the eyes of the player if they want. MMORPG is nothing without the community, and we're fully aware that building a long-lasting community is crucial. Nakama will be open for everyone, no matter if one is interested in blockchain features or not. From community building POV, we're dividing our launch into 3 phases to make sure it'll be a memorable experience for all. In phases 0 and 1, we'll focus on raising capital. We'll target communications to institutional and individual investors from the Web3 community as a means to build a strong foundation of our community and a sense of security. Phase 2 will deliver the launch of the game in its full glory. At this stage, we'll target the real gamers, no matter if they come from Web 2 or Web 3. We'll add Twitch, among others, to our set of communications channels to increase the buzz about Nakama. The emotion to achieve here is pure joy, which will be ensured by plenty of activities to make players engaged, from daily quests through weekly leaderboards to monthly events and guild wars. As a way to keep a positive retention of the players, we'll introduce seasons. Each season will come every 3 to 4 months, delivering new content, new adventures, and completely new opportunities to develop player characters. Who are we? Our team currently consists of 16 people who've already committed a significant amount of time to build this experience from scratch, and we're all focused on the growth of our product. Our team consists of people who were involved in building one of the biggest brands of Terra blockchain, Terra, worked as engineers in Fortune 500 companies like Meta or Intel, have over 15 years of experience in game dev and worked on MMORPGs in the past, are all Web3 enthusiasts and builders of various Web3 communities. We're people who have succeeded in the market but also understand the failures. We intend to translate all of our collective experience into a successful Web3 game. For more information, see our pitch deck and feel free to contact us.